Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Today's conversation is funny, emotional, and very relatable. Dave had one of the most embarrassing travel moments of his life at the airport, and Cindy still can't stop laughing about it. Make sure you listen until the end because the funniest part happens later in the conversation. Hey, Dave, you look excited today.
I am excited.
Really? Why?
I'm planning a trip next month.
Ooh, nice. Where are you going?
Japan.
That's amazing.
I've always wanted to go there.
Are you nervous?
A little.
Why?
Traveling in English still makes me nervous sometimes,
That's normal, honestly.
especially airports.
Airports can be stressful even for native speakers.
There are too many signs, announcements, and people everywhere.
Very true.
Last time I traveled, I had a very embarrassing airport experience.
Oh no, what happened?
I misunderstood the airport staff.
Uh-oh.
She asked, "Do you have any liquids?"
Okay.
But I was nervous and tired.
Yeah?
So I answered, "No, thank you."
Dave.
I thought she was offering me a drink. The airport staff looked so confused.
I can imagine.
Then she asked again slowly.
Did you understand the second time?
Not immediately.
Oh no.
I just kept smiling politely like an idiot.
That's actually very relatable.
Finally, she pointed at my backpack.
Ah.
Then I remembered I had water inside.
Mystery solved.
Honestly, airports make my brain stop working,
Same sometimes.
especially after long flights.
Did you enjoy the trip, though?
Definitely.
That's the important part.
Traveling is stressful sometimes, but also exciting.
I agree.
I love seeing new places and trying new food.
Same.
Food is honestly one of the best parts of traveling.
Absolutely.
One time, I ordered food in another country without understanding the menu.
Brave.
Very brave.
Brave. What happened?
I thought I ordered chicken noodles,
Okay.
but somehow I received a giant bowl of spicy soup with seafood.
Really?
Cindy, I don't even eat seafood.
Oh no.
I stared at the bowl like it personally betrayed me. The waiter looked so proud, too.
That makes it worse.
I didn't want to be rude.
So you ate it.
I tried.
And?
My mouth was fighting for survival.
Was it super spicy?
Extremely spicy. I drank like 6 glasses of water.
Poor Dave.
The waiter kept smiling proudly while I suffered emotionally.
Honestly, that sounds like a travel memory you'll never forget.
Definitely unforgettable.
I think funny mistakes are part of traveling.
True.
Perfect trips are probably impossible anyway.
Very true.
Have you ever gotten lost while traveling?
Many times.
Really?
My sense of direction is terrible.
Same, honestly.
One time, I confidently walked the wrong way for almost an hour.
No.
I thought I knew exactly where I was going.
That confidence is dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Did you finally ask someone for help?
Yeah,
Were you nervous?
a little.
What did you say?
I asked, "Excuse me, where am I?" I was too confused to ask proper questions.
Honestly, that's fair.
The local guy looked surprised for a second.
Then what?
Thankfully, he was very kind and helped me.
That's nice.
Most people are kinder than we expect while traveling.
I completely agree.
Sometimes, even small conversations with strangers become special memories.
That's true.
Traveling also makes me feel more confident somehow.
Really?
Yeah, because you solve problems by yourself.
I like that.
Even when things go wrong, you learn something.
Exactly.
although sometimes I learn embarrassing lessons.
Like the airport water incident?
Please don't remind me.
Dave, what's your favorite thing about traveling?
Definitely trying new food.
Really? Even after the spicy seafood disaster?
Okay, maybe not every food experience is successful. But honestly, food makes traveling more exciting.
I agree.
Every country has different flavors and different eating styles.
That's true.
Sometimes even ordering food becomes an adventure.
Oh no, did something happen again?
Of course something happened.
I knew it.
One time I went to a small restaurant while traveling alone.
Okay.
The menu was completely in another language.
Brave already.
Very brave.
So, what did you do?
I just pointed randomly at one picture.
Dangerous strategy.
Extremely dangerous.
What did you get?
Honestly, I still don't know exactly.
Dave.
It looked beautiful, though.
That's good at least.
Until I realized it was extremely spicy again.
Why does spicy food keep finding you?
I think traveling tests my survival skills. The waiter kept smiling while I quietly suffered.
Poor Dave.
My eyes were watering, but I tried acting strong.
Did it work?
Not at all. The waiter brought me extra water without even asking.
Okay, that's actually funny.
Honestly, though, those moments become the best memories later.
Exactly.
Perfect trips are nice,
But funny mistakes are unforgettable.
definitely unforgettable.
Have you ever missed a flight before?
Almost.
Almost.
Yeah, one time I was shopping at the airport.
Dangerous idea.
Very dangerous.
What were you buying?
Snacks.
Of course.
Then suddenly I heard my name on the airport speaker.
Oh no.
Cindy, I started running immediately. I was carrying bags, snacks, passport, everything.
That sounds stressful.
Very stressful.
Did you make it?
Barely.
Really?
I reached the gate completely out of breath.
What did the staff say?
Sir, we were about to leave without you.
Ouch.
Then I tried answering politely,
And?
but I was too tired to speak properly.
Oh no.
So I accidentally said, "Thank you for not abandoning me."
Dave.
I sounded so emotional. The airport staff started laughing.
Honestly, that's a great story.
Not during the moment.
Fair enough.
Traveling teaches you patience, honestly.
Very true.
Flights get delayed, luggage disappears, maps become confusing.
And sometimes nothing goes according to plan.
Exactly.
But somehow those trips still become special memories.
I think unexpected moments make traveling exciting.
I agree.
Have you ever traveled alone before?
Yeah, a few times.
Was it scary?
Yeah, at first.
Really?
Yeah, being alone in another country feels strange at first.
I can imagine.
But after a while, you become more independent.
That sounds nice, actually.
It is.
I think solo travel helps people grow emotionally.
Definitely.
You learn how to solve problems calmly.
And you become more confident, too.
Exactly.
Although sometimes you also become lost.
Frequently lost. One time I used a map app while traveling,
Okay.
but somehow I walked in the completely wrong direction for 30 minutes.
No.
The map kept saying, "Turn around."
That should have been a warning.
I thought the app was confused.
Turns out you were confused.
Exactly.
Did someone help you finally?
Yeah. An old man noticed I looked stressed.
Aww.
He asked if I was lost.
And?
He said emotionally and physically.
Dave.
He laughed, though.
Honestly, your awkward travel moments are very entertaining.
Glad my suffering is useful.
Dave, what's the most beautiful place you've ever visited?
Probably Kyoto in Japan.
Really?
Yeah. It felt so peaceful.
I've always wanted to go there.
The streets were quiet, the food was amazing, and everything looked beautiful.
That sounds like a movie.
Honestly, it did feel like a movie sometimes.
Did you take a lot of pictures?
Too many pictures. My phone storage was fighting for survival.
That's normal while traveling.
Every corner looked interesting.
I love that feeling.
Me too.
Did you meet any interesting people there?
Actually, yes.
Tell me.
One evening, I got completely lost near a train station.
Again?
Cindy, getting lost is part of my travel experience now. Anyway, I was standing there looking confused.
Sounds normal for you?
Very funny.
Go on.
Then an old woman noticed me struggling with the map.
Aww.
She couldn't speak much English.
And you couldn't speak Japanese?
Almost zero Japanese.
Oh no!
But somehow we still communicated.
Really?
Yeah. We used simple words, hand gestures, and lots of smiling.
That's actually beautiful.
She even walked with me for 10 minutes to show me the right direction.
That's so kind.
Honestly, that moment stayed in my memory.
I think travel reminds us that most people are good.
Exactly.
Even with language barriers, people still try to help each other.
That's one of my favorite things about traveling.
Same.
Sometimes small moments become the most emotional memories.
Very true.
Although not every travel memory is emotional.
Oh no, what happened now?
One morning, I accidentally entered the wrong train.
Classic Dave moment.
Extremely classic.
Did you notice quickly?
Nope.
Oh no.
I sat there peacefully for 20 minutes.
Amazing.
Then, suddenly, the city outside looked completely unfamiliar.
That's terrifying.
My confidence disappeared immediately.
What did you do?
I asked a nearby passenger for help,
Good.
but I was nervous.
And?
I accidentally said, "Excuse me, where is my life going?"
Dave!
I meant the train. The guy looked deeply concerned for me.
Honestly, I would too.
Then I corrected myself and asked properly.
Did he help you?
Thankfully, yes.
Good.
He even explained which station I needed.
That's nice.
Travelers really depend on kind strangers sometimes.
Definitely.
Have you ever had culture shock while traveling?
Oh, yes.
Really?
One time I visited a country where dinner was eaten very late.
Like what time?
Around 9 or 10 p.m.
What?
Exactly.
I would already be emotionally asleep by then. Did you get used to it?
Slowly.
Traveling really changes your routine.
Definitely.
Sometimes that's exciting, though.
I agree.
I think traveling makes life feel bigger somehow.
Wow, that sounded deep.
I have emotional moments sometimes.
Apparently.
But seriously, when you visit different countries, you realize how different and similar people are at the same time.
That's actually true.
Different food, language, culture.
But people still laugh, worry, dream, and help each other.
Exactly.
I love that.
Traveling also made me more confident speaking English.
Really?
Yeah, because sometimes English becomes your only way to communicate.
That's good practice, honestly.
At first, I was scared of making mistakes.
And now?
Now, I care more about communication than perfection.
That's a really important mindset.
Even if my English becomes strange sometimes,
Like asking where your life is going?
please let me heal emotionally.
Dave, after all your travel experiences, do you think traveling changed you?
Honestly, yes.
Really?
A lot, actually.
How?
Before traveling, I was more shy and nervous about everything.
And now?
Now, I feel more confident talking to strangers and trying new things.
That's amazing.
Traveling forces you to leave your comfort zone.
Very true.
Sometimes you have no choice except to communicate.
Especially in another country.
Exactly.
I think travel teaches people patience, too.
Definitely.
Flights get delayed, trains get missed, plans change.
And sometimes your luggage disappears.
Oh no, did that happen to you?
Unfortunately, yes.
No!
One time, my suitcase arrived in a completely different country.
That sounds impossible.
Apparently, my luggage wanted its own vacation. Meanwhile, I only had one extra t-shirt in my backpack.
That's stressful.
Very stressful.
What did you do?
I had to buy emergency clothes.
Was it expensive?
A little.
Oh no.
But honestly, now it's one of my funniest travel memories.
That's the strange thing about traveling.
What?
Stressful moments become funny stories later.
So true.
Have you ever felt lonely while traveling?
Yeah, sometimes.
I think many people feel that way.
Especially at night in a new city.
Exactly.
Sometimes you miss home, your family, or familiar places.
That's normal.
But honestly, those feelings also make you appreciate home more.
I agree.
Traveling made me realize how important simple things are.
Like what?
Comfortable beds, familiar food, fast internet,
Very important things.
especially fast internet.
Of course.
One time, I got lost because my phone battery died.
That's every traveler's nightmare.
Exactly.
Were you scared?
A little.
What happened?
I couldn't use maps anymore, so I had to ask strangers for directions.
Old school traveling.
Honestly, it felt more human.
That's true, actually.
Instead of staring at my phone, I was talking to real people.
Sometimes technology makes us less social.
Exactly.
Did people help you?
Yeah, everyone was surprisingly kind.
That's nice.
One shop owner even drew a small map for me on paper.
Aw, that's so sweet.
I still remember that moment clearly.
Small acts of kindness feel bigger when you travel.
Definitely.
I think that's why travel memories stay with us for so long.
It's not only the places.
It's the people, too.
Exactly.
So, after all these adventures, what's the biggest lesson you learned from traveling? Big question.
I think the biggest lesson is don't be afraid of mistakes.
I like that.
Because some of my best memories came from wrong trains, awkward conversations, and embarrassing moments.
That's actually beautiful.
If everything went perfectly, traveling would probably be less exciting.
Very true.
Mistakes make stories.
Wow, Dave, that sounded wise.
I become philosophical after vacations. But seriously, I think people should travel if they can.
Even short trips can change your perspective.
Exactly.
You learn more about the world.
And about yourself, too.
I completely agree.
Also, traveling gave me more confidence speaking English.
That's amazing.
Before, I was scared of making mistakes.
And now?
Now, I know communication matters more than perfect grammar.
Exactly.
Even when I accidentally say strange things.
Like asking airport staff if they're offering you water?
Please let that memory rest peacefully.
Never.
Fair enough.
Thanks for talking with me today, Dave.
Of course, I had a lot of fun.
Me too.
And hopefully our listeners enjoyed today's conversation as well.
And maybe feel a little more confident about traveling and speaking English now.
Remember, mistakes are part of the adventure.
Don't be afraid to speak, ask questions, and explore new places.
Every trip becomes a story later.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.